The board in the back for the preamp that you put in here.
Oh, damn.
Each of these massives is pushing 2 of your massive Hippo 8 subs. That's for your mids and highs. That
Okay.
4-way.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's boy. You know who I'm back. Another video. We got KickinitwithQ today, guys. We are here in surround sound here in Richardson, Texas. Once again, I'm back. Guys, we got Red here dropped off. She is actually about to get a brand new system, guys. I locked the door, unfortunately, so I can't get in here. But I got a JL Audio single 8 with like a mono D amp, and that's just about it. Now I'm actually gonna get a full system put in here. Nothing crazy, I don't think, in my opinion, but we'll see. I actually do have to leave the truck here for like a day and a half, so I won't have a truck, but that's okay. Just Uber everywhere, you know how it goes. So I'm excited to show y'all the final product. I've been getting a lot of rattle from my door speakers, and it was just starting to bug me. So I'm like, you know what, let's just go ahead and put the final sound in this truck. I'm kind of excited for it. Here in surround sound, you go online, guys, their reviews are amazing. They know what they're talking about. AJ knew exactly what I needed when I told him on the phone. So yeah, that's what we go do, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip. All right. So this here right here?
Yeah.
Will this light up?
No.
No? Okay. 4/8. Okay. What kind of box is this? You don't mind me asking?
This is Sound Solutions.
Sound Solutions?
Boxes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So let's do the 4/8, and then I guess we'll do the whole, what we talked about. There was 2 options, that the 4-amp or bridge or something like that.
So
yeah.
We can do one of 2 things.
Okay.
Amplify the speakers, the door speakers, with a processor.
Okay.
Or don't amplify.
Man, we go do it. Let's just do the whole thing.
Do the whole thing.
Yeah. So yeah, let's do the whole thing.
You doing the right thing. Ultimate.
Yeah, I'm just going for the ultimate sound. I was, you know, I'm like, you know, if I'm gonna do it, let's just do the whole thing.
2 days later.
All right, guys. So we finished with the truck. Hey, what's your name, bro?
Ray.
Huh?
Ray.
Ray. All right, so Ray finna show me everything they done to the truck, man. Do you want to say what's up, or you good?
What's going on,
Oh, there you go. Say,
what's going on, man?
Hey, there you go. All right, Ray, what we got? I'm excited to see it, bro. I've been waiting, man.
What did we ran a 0 gauge bar, front to back 0 gauge.
Okay.
Built the board in the back for the preamps that you put in here.
Okay. I got 3 amps?
Yes, sir.
Oh, dang, no, I paid for 3 amps.
You got 3 amps right there.
Oh, damn.
So the 2 massives,
Yeah.
each of these massives is pushing 2 of your massive Hippo 8 subs.
What? Okay, and then what's over here?
The 4-channel, that's for your mids and highs. That
Okay.
4-way.
Okay.
So everything's ran 4 gauge with 2 power distributor block right there for your power amps.
Sheesh, I ain't know y'all do that much.
First mount your bass knob right here.
From bass knob?
That's your bass knob right here.
Okay,
bro.
all right.
Just go ahead. We switched out all door speakers.
Yep, all the door speakers.
We put Infinity reference kappas
Okay.
component in the front, a coaxial in the back.
What are those?
6.5s,
Okay.
also Infinity,
Okay.
6x9, 2-way component set.
Okay.
Got your tweeter in here.
I got tweeters too?
Yes, sir.
I got tweeters.
Replaced all the factory stuff.
What? Okay, man, appreciate it. Now I gotta hear what this thing sound like, man. You good? He said stop it. Certain spot, like, should I not go past a certain amount?
You can
or
go all the way.
I can go all the way.
So what I did, how I do it is I go up on all the radio on whatever you're using as a source, like your iPhone, whatever. I go all full volume.
Okay.
Turn the bass down, and then I go at least 75% of the radio
head unit
volume.
Okay.
And then I start adjusting everything.
The bass based on that? Okay, gotcha.
And then same thing with the bass. The bass, you can crank it all the way up. It's not gonna affect nothing.
Okay, which way is down and up, I guess?
Left is down.
Right is up?
Right is up.
Okay, gotcha.
Same thing, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Right, I got you.
Like I said, I pre-adjusted it.
You okay?
Give it about a 2-week period break in.
Okay.
75% full blast for 15-20 minutes at a time.
Okay.
Bring it down.
Okay.
And just let it break in for 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks, do that?
And then after 2 weeks, if you want to bring it back, now we can readjust everything.
How often do you do that? One time a day?
You can do it, I'll say, whenever you want to feel like jamming out.
Yeah.
Just do 15
about 15 minutes?
15-minute intervals is for about 2 hours.
Okay, you said fully cranked?
Yeah, not fully cranked, 75%.
75%, all right.
Yeah, what it does, it gives the coils to warm up, let them break in.
Okay.
And just go from there.
You talking about 75% bass or 75% volume? Gotcha. All right, just want to make sure. It sounds good, man. I appreciate you guys. And guys, I'm at Surround Sound Audio here in Richardson if you wonder where I'm at. But let me roll the windows back up really quick. I'm gonna roll the windows up, boss. Yeah, it sounds good, bro. I'm happy with it. It sounds really, really good. Yeah. I'm excited. Quick sample of it. Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, I'm excited.
Tell you take it easy on him a little bit.
Yeah, he told me about the break-in period.
For at least 15-minute intervals for an hour.
Yep, I appreciate it, man. Y'all did a good job. Thank y'all. I wasn't pressing either. I was just like, man, I was excited. But y'all got the birthday party to go through today too, so I'm trying to make sure. Yeah. Facts.
He wanted to do extra stuff. You know, usually we matter, we just on the back, but he did.
I did that board, bro.
Oh, you did?
I put a board back there.
Yeah. Oh, you did all that. I mean, what you showed me, yeah. I appreciate it, man.
I put a wood board there.
I appreciate it, man.
I made sure that all the wires were nice and tight.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, man.
Normally we just put them on the wall.
Yeah, that's it. I appreciate it. It came out good. It sounds good. I'm excited.
That's good. That's what we wanted. We wanted to see the look on your face. See that smile.
You see the look. You see the smile, huh? All right, guys. This joint beat down the block. Boy, Q beat down the block, and you can hear when I'm coming. Bro, I'm so excited about this one, guys. Y'all don't understand. Like, for a while, man, that boy getting to it. Jeez. For a while, guys, man, you know, I always loved sound and I wanted sound for sure. I don't know what took me so long to do this, but guys, I got new tweeters in this joint, brand new door speaker. I hope y'all heard them say everything. Here's my old amp itself. I think I'm gonna probably get this to somebody, maybe not one of y'all. I think I know personally somebody I'm gonna get this to, and let them take it. I didn't show y'all the box. Sorry, let me get these towels out the way for y'all. I didn't know the box was gonna stick out this far from the back of the seat, you know. But it's all good. Like, y'all can see how much, you know, I would prefer like a more flush box, but it's okay. It's not bad at all. But it does have the Black Ford logo on there. It doesn't light up anything, but yeah, guys. So let's start this thing. I'm gonna put on some YouTube music, really hear this thing bang real quick, cause y'all know copyright. I couldn't play what I just had on there very long. Even my Ford chime seems so much louder now. The chime on the Ford, the doo-doo-doo, seems way louder, bro. This joint is beating. It sounds so clear. Listen. Oh, my phone went off. I thought I blew a speaker. Here we go. I'll see if you hear it outside. You can't really hear it outside either, guys. Like, it's secluded. Sounds good. And my guy said the wall back there he showed y'all, he put that cardboard, that wood wall back there for me. Like, I did that. Usually we don't do that, but for me, they looked out for me. I appreciate it. Guys, again, Surround Sound and video and audio and Richardson. Bro, that joint is definitely hitting, bro. I didn't even realize. I didn't even have the volume up, guys. I turned the volume up some more, and that's not even fully cranked. And this joint is beating, bro. That hurt my damn ears. It is hitting so hard, guys. It keeps sending this thing into emergency recording mode. Like, see, it keeps sending it to emergency recording, so I gotta turn down. I'm gonna have to turn down the G sensitivity and put it like on off, because it keeps recording emergency clips because it's vibrating. If y'all haven't seen the video, then go back and watch it. Hey, bro. Surround Sound Audio didn't kill this joint, boy. The sound is so clear. It's so bassy. It's a good sound. I didn't want like too much bass to where you can't hear the sound. This joint sounds so clear. They professionally tuned it, dialed it in, bro. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. So excited! I actually go to my mom's house for a party on my brother's birthday, so I'm gonna get some of their reactions too to the system and let y'all see their reaction. I got a good hour ride. I'm about to bang this all the way over there. You feel me? But man, I'm so excited, guys. Like the last 2 days, I haven't been able to sleep, bro. I just been so excited about this for so long because I've loved sound. So when I first got the system, y'all see back there, it was just something to get me by. Then hear my boy Deron to 212s. and going to the shows, you all the custom speakers. I'm like, man, I gotta do a custom speaker for this truck at least, you know? It's like the last missing piece. So we go head over to Mom's house, hopefully get some reaction for y'all. Yeah, here we go. All right, guys, pardon my ignorance again on this, guys. So actually the box, how I was saying it was sticking out too far, actually I just slid it backwards. So I actually just moved it back myself and it perfectly sits flush now. Look at that. So I don't know, I probably should ask them to anchor this down. I'm not sure if they could have, but yeah, it's fine. It slides all the way back. I think maybe he just forgot to push it back when he was showing me this stuff back here. But yeah, it's perfectly flush now. I'm happy. Say what's up, man. Hair look good. Birthday boy.
Oh yeah, let me see.
Birthday boy. We got let me show you the sister. What you think? Come on, open that.
That's your sister?
Yeah.
That's your old amp.
Yes. Oh, look on this. He don't even see it.
Ooh. Damn.
You wanna hear that joy? Come on, hop in. Come on, man.
Man, don't hurt my ears.
Nah, come on, man. Hop in. Close that back door. He told me don't hurt my ears. You got a lot of this?
Yeah.
I want your first reaction to a YouTube song, and then I'm gonna give you the other stuff.
Ooh, that boy got
Hey,
the
you like that?
camera.
That boy stupid. Jill.
Ooh, that boy look close.
What is? Nah, it don't look that close in real life. You see how it was.
What you mean?
Let me show you. All right. Bro, that's only like 25%.
What that is?
Hey, you like that joint, don't you, boy?
212.
Oh, wait. Open the door. Oh. Yo. What? Nah. It don't do the ride up, huh?
You ain't got airbags in them?
Nah, I ain't got no bags, bro. One day, hey, on the next one, I want some bags on it.
You
You got some bang in there though?
I just got some bang in there, yeah.
Look, you can
I appreciate you.
where the shocks are.
Yeah.
And keep the shocks where they are.
Yeah.
That's a
Push
nice
a
truck
button.
though.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Push a button, it'll lift a little bit higher.
Yeah.
And then when you push it again, it'll set all the way
Sit down. Nah, yeah, I want some. I don't know if I put bags on this one, but I know what you're saying though. I know you're saying that. It ain't gonna be hard. That's hard. Huh?
You should. You got the lead to it too.
Yeah.
It'll help
Yeah, it would. You right.
Lower the back end and raise
The
the
front.
end.
Yeah. Yeah, you right.
I used to be a mechanic, man.
I hear you. I can tell you know what you're talking about. Say what I was on YouTube. Say what's up to the camera.
What's up, YouTube?
There you go. All right, bro. It's Chris, ain't it? Yeah. You in the tweeters. Got the whole night, nigga. Shit. My phone keeps
But how you doing, pimp boy in the motherfucker?
All right, my bad. That joint here dated.
Hold on.